What is the best time to upload to Instagram? While most content uploads happen between the 1500 to 2200 Zulu time hour, the window for maximum engagement is from 05 to 0800 Zulu time. That's 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Hello world, my name is Data Mining Mike. I'm a data scientist and machine learning researcher with the Blooming Biz Media Network. And today we are going to go into a big data Instagram study and we are going to answer 6 of the top questions. These questions are: what is the best time to upload to Instagram? How do hashtags factor into Instagram engagement? How long will content take to reach maximum engagement? What are the best months to upload to Instagram? I am highly confident at the end of this period of instruction, you will be able to take what you have learned and apply it on Instagram to get more engagement. And that's called value. And because of that, you should like this video. And remember that sharing is caring. And by smashing the bell, you get in your feed more data-driven updates that provide your life even more value. But if you want to watch a more nerdier video where I cover all the Python code and go into ass-bleeding detail as to the data behind it, then check out this video here. In the video description below is a link to the blog article with the datasets and the code so you can replicate the findings yourself, and that's called science. And if you think I'm wrong, well, just go ahead and prove it to me in the comments below. This was apparent in the small dataset when comparing average engagement against upload hour. The resulting distribution was multimodal with 2 distinct peaks, 05 to 08 Zulu time and 1500 to 2200 Zulu time. The 05 to 08 peak was smaller in the smaller dataset relative to the 1500 to 2200 Zulu time. But when compared against the bigger dataset, the bell-shaped curve window became more distinct. After creating the feature engagement per like, the bell-shaped curve was magnified, showcasing 05 to 08 as the highest peak engagement when plotting engagement per like against upload hour. Additionally, a very minimal engagement rate was evidenced between 1500 and 2200 Zulu time. In contrast, the 05 to 08 Zulu time factored 2.1 times the amount of engagement compared to 1500 to 2200 window. How do hashtags factor into engagement? According to the data, hashtags have a very minimal factor in engagement. If anything, 0 or 1 hashtags is better than 2 or more hashtags. And you should stop using hashtags. You can learn more about that in this video here. How long will content take to reach maximum engagement on Instagram? According to the data, the content has a life cycle with a maturation process. The 300 to 500 day window seems to double in engagement, then double again at the 700 mark. The highest amount of engagement will occur at approximately the 700 mark. Content engagement peaks and drops drastically after the 600 to 800 day mark. What day or days of the month are best to upload on Instagram? The data suggests that the days the 20th to the 31st of every month have the highest spikes of content engagement. What months are best to upload on Instagram? There appears the audience gives out spikes of likes on the odd months of 1, 3, 5, 7, and 11, the highest month being July. And so that concludes all the questions for today. Now I am highly confident you'll be able to take this information and get way more engagement on Instagram. And remember, that's called value. Be sure to like this video, share it with all your friends. Remember to subscribe and smash that bell for more data-driven updates. My name's Data Mining Mike with the Blooming Biz Media Network. Bye!